Halo, mau welcome back lo one hour of la tutorial. One hour of la tutorial lo Photoshop pangagan. Lo tutorialnya ba yung miluk lo layers. Layers yang basta walk utem. Basta every design bol kata. Only creating one canvas was time. We'll find creating one new canvas. And then inside the canvas you need to work on layers. But before me go show me the Photoshop, me want to show me one illustrate me want to talk about first my Diablo or layers. Look lo picture we start lo screen na ya. By look one pile lo paper. So me no count them say how much so you sabe spend them time, you sabe count them. But each paper ya, by me tell them say how me represent them one layer. So you got one bottom one we start down one time, and the one we start on top one time. Between lo tufla layer ya, between lo tufla papers ya, ama we start down, ama we start on top. You look tufla paper hema down, we tell hema on top. In between you got full up paper pakai. Paim talem se lo Photoshop paim talem se tufla layers, ama layers mo everyone in between itu, maybe all layers. Nah, time you talk about all paper, so you look paper, I suppose you imagine them say all paper only got all writing lem, only write lem. Maybe him only write me one financial report, lem underneath lem, him one you got one graph is lem, lem underneath lem, you got maybe one picture, every single paper, you got all different something is that under kita layers inside the Photoshop only operate the fasenya no. You as a designer, you put them whenever you want them inside lo each layers. So we sort got uh, one project with one design you and designer you got all these different layer inside them. You got some you got colors, some you got writing, some you got some shapes, some you got one photo stuff like. So suppose each picture suppose me cut them out one hole under the paper yeah. The place yeah, by say look through them by look paper underneath. And then if suppose me keep cutting same hole or same position through each paper go yeah, every time we got them hole one paper, for me look the next paper was up. Photoshop hemi operate itu semak. Suppose me erase him out one small part lo one layer, pa misal look through hem, me look next layer underneath, or pa misal look all one way stop lo the layer way stop underneath, etc. So ting lo layer hema now. One project you say got full of different layers, so you work them, you put more different something. By look lo some designs by look sem say writing ikam round lo forehead lo saman ali ko behind lo saman ali kam ko lo forehead lo narawan bahkan me possible lo mo because of the use of layers. So make him say pa ista wape out someplace you wape out someplace ali by look is swim me ablo underneath it, after you go someplace you know wape out make him say swim bahkan lo layers also now inside lo project you say got aita all default set of layers no mo tayo ko lo place where pa you work hem by look at you got lo workspace play lo Photoshop by look you got place for layers and place where you say create them layers delete them layer you say make any kind something like after you also got still based on the layers you got this other thing we call them all groups inside each group you say got all different layers inside. So, some picture we say look now, you got one layer and one group of layers is inside. So maybe this group I contain them all one group I contain them all layers yeah, and maybe let me contain you create them one logo. Everyone is on one layer yeah, and you hip him up every something to do, every design to do with logo yeah, have you start this group, and then you make a one header. The header yeah, every detail header yeah, is the layers yeah, you install one group, and then the body of your design, and then the footer of your design, any time you work lol groups and layers it make them say design blue and organized workspace blue and organized it make them say loose say kasbe after me write them me uh mi create mo create kalab lo ya stuff lo apa lo layer. So ikut to time you kurung say okay me all kata blo logo time you want them editing anything blo logo you just go to this group and then you work them and then you just have and then depending on OW you want to say logo is a town or header is the anda you say put tragam group ya ikam bisa ali tragam group ya igo anda blo and then bisa talk about that as an illustration so you say got just a single group of layers or you say got uh, many groups of layers where you say put them inside Photoshop. So the main use one visual theory what layers and groups are in Photoshop. Next video me by we just talk about them. We just go inside the Photoshop mo look straight how we use layers and groups inside the one Photoshop project. Thank you too much listen mo take care. God bless. Look in you next video.